I'm Elizabeth Napolitano, and I live here in Thousand Oaks. A very long time ago, my daughter was in kindergarten. We moved here, moved out to Westlake, and she was scratched by a dog, and she had a big, deep scratch on her cheek, and she needed 7 stitches. And I took her to the pediatrician, and because it was on her face and she was such a young girl, I said, no, I really want a plastic surgeon to stitch her up, and he recommended Dr. Azar. So we met him. My daughter is 20 now, believe it or not. And she was 5, so it was about 15 years ago. And he stitched her up, and it turned out beautiful, and that's how I met him. So now, whenever I think of going anywhere, I think of Dr. Azar. He did such a beautiful job, and especially, being a mother, watching my young girl, with the scar, and how he took care of her, and how he followed up with her, and how it, healed. So when I was, deciding I wanted a little skincare, especially I had a lot of brown spots on my face. Just brown spots, like from the sun, and age spots, and a lot of red capillaries, like broken blood vessels, especially around my nose. And I'm an actress, so it's my business to be out all the time, and I couldn't, I didn't feel comfortable without makeup because I always had to cover up the brown spots. So I came to Dr. Azar and I asked him about it, and I said, is there anything you can do? Because I've tried bleaching creams and all that stuff, but nothing really seemed to work. And he talked to me about the XLV. And so I did a series of treatments and made the night and day difference. Best thing I ever did. First I came in and I talked to him, and I told him my concerns. And I said, I have these brown spots, and I'm getting older. I'm worried about aging, but I don't want to look like I've done anything. I just want to look good for my age, and I want to take care of my skin the best I can. And he suggested the XLV. So then I came in and got treated with the XLV. They put a little cream on you. It really doesn't hurt. I didn't find it painful at all, and it's quick. It's 5 or 10 minutes, and depending on how much you're doing, and then you go home and then recover. I did a series of treatments, and saw like a night and day difference. I can go out without makeup, which is like, since I was a kid, I really couldn't do that, so that's, to me, a beautiful thing.